Hello, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan. If you're new to the channel, I run the Two Car Pros YouTube channel. It's nice to meet you, and I wanted to do a quick little update video on sort of the goings on of the channel. You may have not noticed that last week I didn't get to upload as much as I would have liked to, but that's because I've been a little busy. I've been busy setting up my new shop, which I'm super excited about, and that's what this video is about. It's going to be a little, shop tour and to express my gratitude for all of you being here. Let's do the shop tour first, and then I can blather on later. Okay, so be super easy on me. I just got the place set up, so there's a little bit of trash over here I need to get rid of. Over here is an older air compressor. I'll be changing that out for something a little more modern. I think this thing's older than I am, which is fine, it still works. Got our funnels and assorted fluids that I use on a pretty much daily basis. Underneath there is hose clamps and the like. I need to get, this is my knee pad. It's half a boogie board cut off. Super fancy, I know. But it protects your knees. That's the operation for the lift, because this garage is equipped with a lift underneath this van here. Can't really see it, but that's okay. This is my workbench. This has assorted nuts and bolts and some electrical stuff, a little bit of solder up there, more nuts and bolts, extension cord. I've been using that to power the lights. This is one part of the light up here. So that's cool. Tripod I normally use. My boom's around here somewhere too. I don't know where that ran off to. I need it though. And this is really, really cool. So this is an oil catch, but you can only really use this on a lift, and it's adjustable, tight adjustable. And the really cool part is you can attach an air hose to the end here, and it'll pump oil through this hook tube into whatever container I want, so I can transport it to a proper oil facility, oil recycling facility, I think it's called. This is a catch-all, so you can do transmissions and different things. What it looks like in there. Haven't used it yet, still brand new. Like I said, I've been setting things up. My toolbox here, Snap-on box full of many Snap-on tools that I use all the time. If you guys want me to do a proper toolbox tour, let me know. But that's not what this video is about. And we got some oil up here for an upcoming oil change I have coming. It uses 0W40, isn't that weird? I thought that was weird when I first looked up the spec. See, and here's the oil filter for it. This is unrelated. There's a rocker switch. This is for my light bar in my truck. Soldering iron I used in that soldering iron video. My sunglasses. This is why I like this toolbox, because it's up higher and I can kind of have a work surface. And then my other toolbox that's filled with other things in it that aren't Snap-on. So this is kind of like my my lower end toolbox, but it still works great. Really enjoy it. A lot of interesting things in there. Here's my super fancy funnel I use. I love that thing. So that's cool. And a mop and a bucket, gotta have that. I've only been here a few days, and as you can see, the water is absolutely disgusting. I need to clean that. And then my transmission jack I just built. In fact, I haven't even put the side rails on yet. This thing's cool. So that's gonna help me out. This is the van I'll be working on for the next couple of weeks here. So I'll be doing a lot of repairs on this. There's a lot to do. And it's actually looks fairly easy to work on, so that's cool. Some more fluid than I need to put in my personal truck. It's got a nice high door, which is cool. My creeper, that creeper's terrible. I really do need to get a new creeper. That's unrelated. And internet stuff, also unrelated, because I don't actually upload from this location, I only work in this location. So yeah, it's a quick tour of what my new work area looks like. I'm super happy to get started working here, and it should make the video quality much better and able to let me make videos much easier. So that's my new shop. I'm extremely proud of it and what this channel has accomplished in the past few years. It has totally changed my life, and that's because of you people. You guys watching have been amazing. To log on every morning and read all of your outstandingly positive comments has really made this so much easier. Everyone who subscribed is fantastic. Everybody who just watches is fantastic. Thank you so much for really making this for me. I make the videos, but you guys watching them and commenting you guys are just the best. And we will be having a giveaway at 50,000 subscribers, which is coming up very shortly. And I hope I can do something special for that. I'm going to definitely be doing something incredible for the 100,000. I'm thinking about giving away a car at 100,000. Might be a couple stipulations with that giveaway, like you'll have to send me a couple paragraphs on why you need it. But that's a ways off. 50,000 is coming up and I'm super looking forward to it. I'll be giving away something pretty good to a couple people, and I'll make the contest easy to enter because I don't believe in super hard to enter contests unless they're for something incredible. You know what I mean? Well, I think that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you next time.